Kasuga Taisha is a renowned Shinto shrine located in Nara, Japan. Established in 768 AD by the influential Fujiwara clan, it serves as the head shrine for over 3,000 Kasuga shrines across the country. The shrine is celebrated for its vibrant vermilion structures, thousands of lanterns, and its harmonious integration with the surrounding natural environment. Kasuga Taisha was founded to enshrine 4 deities. Takamazuki no Mikoto, the god of thunder and swords, originating from Kashima Shrine in Ibaraki. Futoshini no Mikoto, the warrior deity from Katori Shrine in Chiba. Yamenakobeni no Mikoto, ancestral god of the Fujiwara clan from Hiroka Shrines in Osaka, and the Himagadi, a goddess associated with fertility and protection. According to legend, Takamazuki no Mikoto arrived at Mount Masaka riding a white deer, leading to the reverence of deer as sacred messengers, a tradition that continues today with the freely roaming deer in Nara Park. The shrine exemplifies the Kasuga Zurkuri architectural style, characterized by vermilion painted structures with white walls and cypress bark roofs. Sloping gabled roofs adorned with decorative elements like shigi, or forked fingernails, and katsutugi, or log weights, and compact main sanctuaries, each dedicated to one of the enshrined deities. A distinctive feature of Kasuga Taisha is its extensive collection of lanterns, over 3,000 stone and bronze lanterns donated by worshippers over the centuries. These lanterns are illuminated during the Montori Festival in February and August, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Adjacent to the shrine is the Kasugama Primeval Forest, a sacred area that has remained untouched for over a millennium. This forest, along with Kasuga Taisha, is part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Historic monuments of ancient Nara are here. Kasuga Taisha offers visitors a profound glimpse into Japan's spiritual heritage, blending historical architecture, sacred rituals, and natural beauty. Its enduring traditions and serene atmosphere make it a must-visit destination for those exploring Nara.